Mary Ann, alam mong wanted ka rito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kaso ka.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan po,
Yes.
Your Honor.
Di ba, nagpanggap kang namatay, kaya nawala kaso. Pero alam mo may kaso ka. May pending case ka. Na hinahanap ka ng otoridad.
It is still in Sandigan.
No, I'm asking you if you know that you have a case.
Your Honor, the case is still in Sandigan
All right.
Bayan po.
O, di
Sir,
meron kang
refuse to
kaso.
answer po.
Okay. Nung pumunta ka sa Indonesia, anong passport ang gamit mo?
My name po, Jessica Francisco po.
Is that your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco.
You are not Marian Maslog?
Your Honor, there is a case about my identity
I'm
po, Your
asking you,
Honor.
what is your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco po.
Can you produce us your birth certificate that you're indeed Jessica Francisco?
I don't have it with me, Your Honor.
But you have a birth certificate
Yes, Your Honor.
indicating that you're the real Jessica Francisco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is this Marian Maslog?
Like what I said, Your Honor, I
Who is
refuse.
Marian Maslog?
There
Di
is
ba
a
ikaw to?
case.
When you were still 30 pounds lighter? Ikaw ba to? And you were trying to bribe officials in Malacanang during the term of my father? Because of that textbook scam? Says here, you're bag woman, Mary Ann Maslog. Photographed here on March 9, 1999. Ikaw ba to?
There is a pending case,
Ikaw
Your
ba
Honor.
ito? That's not related to your case. I'm asking you, kung ikaw to, if this is you.
Your Honor, there is a pending.
If this is you.
I cannot say, Your Honor.
Oh, padala mo, baka malabo mata. Page, padala mo sa kanya.
Passport ang gamit mo. Anong bansa?
Philippine passport po.
Philippine passport ang gamit mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Isa lang ba ang passport mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ka ng ibang passport?
Wala po, Your Honor.
May Philippine birth certificate ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, nandito taga DFA. Can you please check attorney? Okay, Director, kung anong ginamit na passport nitong si Marian Maslog, tsaka sa BI, Attorney Viado, can you please check or verify anong passport ang ginamit nitong babae ito? Yes, yes, please.
We will check.
What is your middle initial? Huh?
Sese, Your Honor.
Sese.
Yes, Your
Honor. Pwede po pa-flash ano?
Yes, sa ComSec.
Sa ComSec. Okay, we will flash your your passport. Who is any representative from the NBI? All right. Meron na ba kayo resulta dyan na si Marian Maslog at si Jessica Francisco ay isang tao lang?
Based on the fingerprint examination conducted, sir,
Yes.
in the files that she has with the NBI and a fingerprint file before the courts, it was proven that the fingerprint belonged to one and the same person.
Pinagsisinungaling to. What's the name of your father?
David Francisco po.
Mother?
Corazon Sese po. Salvador.
Can you verify this, please? Anybody from the PSA?
Anyone from the PSA, please send us the birth certificate. Pakipadala lang sa amin.
Where were you born?
I was born in Quezon City po.
Quezon City? And Comsec, pwedeng pa-check sa civil registry if indeed there is a Jessica Francisco who was born on, what's your birthday?
December 30, 1985.
December 30, 1985. So how old are you now? Alam mo, ikaw napakasinungaling mo 1985 ka pinanganak. Nasaan yung litrato? 1999, nagninegosyo ka na. 14 anyos ka? 14 anyos ka? Ha? Nasaan yung litrato? Alam mo, wag mo kaming lokohin dito Ako ngahingil ako tumayo dahil 1999 nagninegosyo ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng scam. 14 anyos nanakaw ka na. Oh, 1999 may textbook scam ka na. Ano nakalagay dyan, 1985? Ano, 14 years old? Minor de edad? May pinatawag ka na ng house? Oh? Nagninegosyo ka na? Ano?
I invoke my right, sir, to remain silent because there is a case po in Sandigan which will
No.
be taken on October
Alam mo,
28.
Alam mo, ikaw na siguro ang reyna ng mga kasinungalingan Imagine, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. 1985 ka pinanganak. Mukha mo ba yan? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, assuming that is true, your passport is true. Driver's license ba? Passport, yung passport. Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Going 39 po.
39. 1999, 14 years old nga. God damn it, you're a pathological liar. Sinungaling ka talaga, ano? Pero, saan ka kumuha passport?
In DFA po.
Saan branch? Ha?
Calasiao po.
Calasiao.
Yes.
Ano ba requirements when you obtain a passport? Birth certificate
Birth certificate and valid ID. For
and
first time.
valid ID
For a
for
first
first timer. Is
Renewal,
this your first passport?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ba siyang passport na Mary Ann Maslog
we are double checked.
right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Malamang Senator Jinggoy peke ang birth certificate niyan. The same
Yeah.
case as what we saw with Go Huaping and yung mga pekeng birth certificate na ini-issue. Malamang malaking tsansa na peke rin yung birth certificate niya to assume a different identity.
Mhm. Meron nakapunta ka na sa Amerika?
Sir, I invoke my right po to.
Bakit?
Kasi
Ba't
po,
mo ini-invoke?
there is a
Tinatanong
case,
ko nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, ano masama doon?
there is a case po kasi about my identity sa Sandigan Bayan po.
Hmm?
So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Ang tinatanong ko lang kung nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, is that incriminating? I don't think that is an incriminating question. Oh,
There is a case po regarding by bench warrant on the 28th to prove my identity po. So I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
do you have a case in the United States? You have a case in the United States?
No, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes,
Now
Your
I
Honor.
will read to you. Former textbook agent Mary Ann Maslog, who tried bribing officials of the DBM in 1999 so that her firm could wangle a 200 million textbook contract, is now Mary Ann Smith, married to an American who allegedly became her partner in crime. Court records show in Orange County, Florida, that Maslog is wanted for theft and scheme to defraud. She is facing charges of grand theft amounting to more than $100,000 and scheme to defraud in the amount of $50,000, which are classified as criminal felonies punishable with imprisonment. Maslog also has been charged with civil traffic infraction for proper backing. May kaso ka pala sa Amerika.
I don't have a case in America, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes,
Or
Your Honor.
when was the last time you went to the United States?
Like what I said, Your Honor, I invoke my right.
Sinasabi mo
to
wala kang
practice.
case. Ngayon tinatanong ko kung kailan ka pumunta, ay mo sumagot.
I,
Bakit ito sinagot mo?
I refuse to answer, Your Honor. I invoke the right
Ah,
to keep silent because of the case. It's Sandigan Bayan.
Mr. NBI, Mr. Agent, pwede bang ikulong na lang dito yan? We'll just make representations with the NBI.
Sir, she has a commitment order with the from the Sandigan Bayan.
All right.
Madam Chair, Mr.
Madam.
Mr. Chair, sorry. Ang hirap ng walang kain the whole day. Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of our Senate President Pro